Hey guys, Young Guns Hunter here, and today I got another Hoppy box of 2021 Upper Deck Series 2, and I just want to try to get something special in here. You know, it's been pretty cheap at my hobby store, so thought I'd pick it up. So here we go. Let's give her a rip. Nice. Here are our packs. And here we are. So pack number 1. I've already pulled a Stützle from a blaster box off camera, and I've pulled a Caprice off in one of my other boxes, so I just want to try to see if I could get something cool. So we got Joel Armia, Adam Henrique, Yoki Haru, Nico McCullough, marquee rookie, Brandon Montour, Damon Severson, Brent Burns, Corey Perry. Next pack up. Jack Hughes, Brian Rust, Kudobin, Svetch, Nicholas Malach, Young Guns, Boakvis, Gardner, Mantha, Warren Fogle, Darren Helm, Sam Steele, Morgan Geeky, UD Portraits Rookies, Troy Terry, Victor Mete, Strieger, Subban. I'll try to speed this up for you guys. Lekanen, Brett Connolly, Alex Nylander, Nick Schmaltz, marquee rookies of Vitek Vanacek, rest is base. Logan Couture, Carey Price, Brad Marchand, Kevin LeBanc, UD Canvas. Got 2 hits here, and Victor Olofsson, Dazzlers. Rest is base. So on the back, we got another Young Guns here. Strawman, Brady Tkachuk, OEL, Anthony Angelo, Young Guns. And Russ base. Marcus Foligno, Jake DeBrusk, Calvin DeHaan. We got a fluorescence of Jason Robertson. That's a cool looking card. Interesting. Never seen that before. But and rest is base. Ben Sherratt, Oscar Lindblom, Jeff Skinner, Nuge, Leon Draisaitl, awards winner. Claude Giroux, Anthony Ciu, Jordan Greenway, Beauty Portrait Rookies of Mikey Anderson. Oh. Alex Barabanov, Young Guns. The rest is base. So far, nothing amazing. To be honest, I don't know what that fluorescence card is yet. I don't know if it's rare or not. I gotta look at the odds again, but so far it's been very mediocre, but that's okay. Adam Pelech, T.S. Ekholm. Oh my God, Seth Jones. Here we go. Tim Stützle, Young Guns. So, just as I was saying, it was nothing amazing yet. Pulled Tim Stützle. Wow. Can't complain about that. Look, I'm just looking at the corners. Everything looks pretty sharp, so. Well, that's definitely the best hit. Can't complain about that. So, nice. Got the Stützle Young Guns. Jesper Bratt, Tyler Bertuzzi, Pierre-Edouard Bellemare, Mark Scheifele canvas. Love the canvas cards, man. Pictures look so cool. It's just good photography. That. Max Pack, Andrei Vasilevsky, Gustav Nyquist, Songqvist, Bozak, Marquee Rookies of Brain Burke, Brent Burns, Corey Perry, Boqvist. Halfway through the box. Adam Gaudette. That's weird. This one's backwards. This one's backwards too. Okay. Bowen Byram's Marquee Rookie. Mike Smith, Scott Laughton, Ethan Bear, Ryan Hartman. pack. Well, see another Young Guns here. What is this? Some of these cards are backwards. Cale Makar, Connor Hellebuck, Marc-Andre Fleury, Johnny Gaudreau, Matthias Brome, Young Guns. That's not bad. That's okay. And rest is base. Next up, Carl Hagelin, Austin Matthews, Robin Lehner, Jake Muzzin, Reed Duke, UD Portraits Rookies, Hischier, Bowie, Burakovsky, Tucker Poolman, Jordy Ben, Shea Theodore, Kirill Ustimenko, Marquee Rookie, Freddie Anderson, James Benn, base. Cale Makar, Patty Marleau, Anders Bjork, Cam Fowler, UD Canvas, Jonathan Quick, Pedersen, just more base. Checklist. Matt Waugh, Sidney Crosby. That's a cool pick. That's a nice card. Mikko Rantanen. Oh, that's nice. Got the Young Guns checklist of Stützle, Dylan Cousins. Kind of surprised it came with the Tim Stützle Young Guns. And more base. Last stack of packs. Matt Barzal, Anders Nielsen, Mike Hoffman. Wow. Sidney Crosby suit variation. That's a nice card. Can't complain about that one. Antti Ranta, Valtteri Filppula, Jordan Staal, Roman Josi. Got Clayton Keller, Robbie Fabry, Jacob Slavin, Ryan Johansson, Matt Dumba, award winner. And rest is base. Cam Fowler, Justin Falk, Kevin LeBanc, Philip Hedl, UD Portraits Rookies of Peyton Krebs, Capo Caco, Nichushkin Barbashev, last 3 packs here. Krejci, Kucherov, Thomas Chabot, Matisse Kivlenieks, recently passed away, rest in peace. Checklist, that's a nice card, and rest is base. Antoine Roussel, Sean Monahan, Milan Lucic, Kuznetsov, Anthony Mantha, UD Canvas, Atkinson, Brad Hunt, Yarrow Halak, and last pack of the break. Ryan Reeves, Kyle Connor, Jacob Vrana, marquee rookies of Thomas Harley, David Camp, Kokanemi, JVR, Rasmus Anderson. So just kind of do a quick review of what we've got. We got a Matisse Kivlenieks, Young Guns. Got a Matthias Brome, Young Guns. We've got a checklist, Young Guns checklist. Stutzle Young Guns, probably the best one we've got. Barabanov Young Guns, Anthony Angelo Young Guns, and the Nicholas Malott Young Guns. And then I think another really good hit that we got was the Sidney Crosby suit variation. So thanks for watching. If you could like, comment, and subscribe, that would help me out a lot. And see you guys next time. Later.